Look, we get it. Powerful gaming PCs typically have to be massive, but what if we told you they don't have to be huge?
What we have right here is an $850 mini ITX gaming PC that is 1440p ready. In today's video, we're going to show you guys that smaller is sometimes better, after a word from today's sponsor.
The future of wireless charging is here, and today's video sponsor, UGreen, has you covered. UGreen has a new, sleek, and portable wireless charging solution with their 2-in-1 magnetic foldable charging station. This charger comes packed with a Qi 2 certification, with the power to wirelessly charge your iPhone up to 15 watts, double the speed of non-certified chargers. And the best part about the setup is you can also slow charge your wireless earbuds at the same time at 5 watts, making sure your daily use devices are ready to go the next day. With a superior magnetic hold that keeps your phone secure and built-in overvoltage protections, the UGreen 2-in-1 magnetic charge station will give you peace of mind that your devices are charging effectively and safely. To learn more about this charger, check the links in the description down below, and big thanks again to UGreen for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back into the PC build, shall we?
Big shout out to Newegg for sending these parts over and also for having great deals in these parts so we can tell you how you can build this whole PC Mini ITX for $850. So to kick this build off, we have the i5-12400F. This is a 6-core 12-thread processor that is on the LGA 1700 platform, so you can actually go up to 14th gen if you wanted to. It comes with a stock cooler, which is pretty sufficient for this, but we're going to be adding this Thermalright cooler right here. This is the AXP90X47 in black, and it's actually a pretty sweet little cooler. It's kind of compact, which is really good for this build because most of the tech YouTubers are adding these gigantic tower coolers, but realistically this is plenty for this, and I think it'll look nice because you'll be able to see more of the build. And speaking of this build being tiny, we got an ASrock Z690m-ITX. This is an AX board, meaning it has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. It's a pretty nice little compact board. It actually has some heatsink covers for your NVMe's. You got 2 RAM slots. You do get 2 4-pins for the CPU, meaning you could go up to an i7 if you really wanted to. And like I said, Wi-Fi built in, guys, pretty sick. And for RAM, we got 2 black sticks of RAM, 32 gigs total, 16 gigs each, running in dual channel, 3200 megahertz DDR4. We saved some money by going DDR4, but you could go DDR5 if you want to spend a little extra bread. And for storage, we have the Teamgroup Cardea A440 1TB NVMe Gen 4 SSD. As you can see, very nice tiny little drive that you just plop right in the board, no extra cables. And it does come with these too. They comes with their little graphene cover and also a really large heatsink that you can, but you don't have to use, especially on a board like this where you're just going to be plopping the storage straight in and then using the provided heatsink.
And for the graphics card, we have the RX 7600, which we think is one of the best bang for buck GPUs right now getting into the new market. 8 gigs of VRAM and good enough performance to dive into 1440p gaming on medium-high settings. Depending on the title, you will want to use FSR to get the most performance at 1440p, and we will be doing that during our benchmarks. But this is a really good candidate for this PC build, and it pairs very nicely with the i5-12400. Now, the power supply choice is a little bit interesting with this build. This case technically supports full-size power supplies, but if you want to have room for upgrades in the future or fit higher-end GPUs, you do need to go with an XFX power supply. This is the Seasonic Focus SGX 750 750 watt 80 plus gold power supply that Newegg was nice enough to send over, which by the way, you can use their PC builder on their website to configure PCs like this to make sure compatibility and stuff works right. And when you do so, you'll get some really good deals. So definitely check out Newegg's PC builder if you're going to build a PC today. But this power supply is more than enough watts for this PC build, and it's very respectably priced. And the star of the show that actually inspired this PC build, this is the Deepcool CH160 in black. Look at this thing. It has nice handle, very nice handle, with a lot of ventilation all the way around. And the best part about this case is it comes in at $69 for a mini ITX build with really nice airflow. Now, the one thing you might be wondering is, where are fans gonna go? And realistically, you can install one fan up front, which will probably slap in one fan, but this case is designed to just be high airflow, where there's just a bunch of ventilation all the way around, and you really just rely on the ventilation of the GPU and CPU to make things work. But we'll see. We'll see if we'll add a fan or not. I'm really thinking we might add a fan to the back and we'll be good to go there. But all in all, we do come in a little bit under the $850 price point with a subtotal pre-tax of $828. Slapping in a basic fan that we have from our inventory will get you really close to $850. So all in all, I'm excited to see what this build's gonna look like when we put it all together and see how it performs in 1440p gaming. So I'm wasting more time to put it together. All right, guys, we're in the finals. 1440p, no upscaling, high settings with static RTX, and we are going to be playing this game at 1440p. We're going to see what we can do here. Obviously, this is a more demanding esports title. We like testing it, even though popularity has dwindled a bit. It's still very demanding to see the worst case scenario for this PC, and it looks like 1440p is going to be a bit tough for us here. We're getting about 90 FPS on average, which is not too bad, and we are running native 1440p, by the way, high settings. Really curious to see how the FPS holds up long term, because this is a game that definitely gets pretty hectic with all the destructive environment aspects to it. Yeah, you see, destructive environments are definitely dropping a little below. We're talking about a all new parts mini ITX build for $850. Not going to be amazing for 1440p, but when you do play at 1440p, you'll still get a playable 60 plus FPS. But in crazy environments like this, the 7600 is definitely going to get pushed to its limits. Push that guy. Where is this guy? Ah! No! Oh, I can't win that battle. What? But I have no ammo. Ah! Do you like the gas? Finish him off, teammate. Oh, I got him. Okay. Oh, I'm stuck? Hello? Ah! Okay, this is the gameplay you want, McAllister, isn't it? This is the gameplay you want. Playing objective, being a real gamer. Oh! I fell asleep at the wheel. Another kill. Oh, that was an assist. I'll take it. Let's go! The finals definitely dips into the 60s and 70s. That 7600 is decent for 1440p, but you definitely want to use FSR if you're going to want a higher FPS experience. Let's move on to the next game.
All right, guys, it's Halo time, and we're going to be playing Halo Infinite at 1440p max FOV. We got unlocked frame rate, medium setting preset. Let's see what this baby can do.
Yeah, and if it's similar to what we saw in the finals, this PC is good for 1440p, but high refresh rate will be pushing it because we do get some dips below 100 at times. See, we're averaging around 80 to 90 right now, so it is 1440p capable, but if you want high refresh rate constant, 1080p is still probably the best option for this PC.
I would definitely describe this as playable, you know, that's what matters.
Yes.
Oh my god, I'll die for this flag. I'll literally die for this flag. Oh, I just jumped in that grenade. Oh my god.
We're circling.
Oh my god, we got the flag. This is this is going crazy.
Goal line stand.
Oh my god. This is a bold strategy, straight across. Oh my god, it might pay off.
It paid off.
Oh. That wasn't a, I thought that was a back shot, if you don't know what I'm saying.
That was a shoulder shot.
Oh. Uh-oh, this is bad, this is bad. There's a lot of enemies here. Oh god. Oh god, I don't even have ammo in the sniper anymore. Oh, this isn't good, this is not good. Oh. There's a lot of enemies. Oh! No!
She's a runner, she's a track star.
Look at this guy freaking hiding back here. We just do this? Oh! My bad.
It's first to 3.
Oh well. Well, you know, the PC did pretty good at 1440p medium settings. Probably could go low and get like over 100 constantly, but I was pretty happy with like close to 100.
Yeah, not too bad for $850, 1440p mini ITX. Let's go ahead and run 3D Mark Time Spy, another game to really stress this thing, and then talk more about the value proposition of this tiny little computer with a handle.
All right, guys, we just got done benchmarking this little mini ITX handle portable gaming PC, and it works pretty good at 1440p, and keep in mind, you can do this at 1080p as well and get an even higher refresh rate experience.
And in the other games we tested, which was Doom Eternal and our 3D Mark Time Spy score, we got some pretty good results. Doom Eternal 1440p ultra settings, we got about 60 plus FPS. Again, that is a worst case scenario, running ultra settings at 1440p for a PC under $1,000. That is also mini ITX. I think the performance is definitely acceptable. In our 3D Mark Time Spy score, we got got a score of 10,406, which is an 8 cent per point score. And given the fact that we had to spend a premium for the power supply, which you could save a little bit if you want to go full size, I think a full size would actually fit in here, but it would make the build a little bit more difficult, and a premium for the mini ITX motherboard, I think the value for the money is still definitely there. And this case from Deepcool is really awesome. I definitely recommend it for your next PC build. And if you want to build this PC yourself, check the links in the description down below. They will be affiliate links and they will help us out. Big shout out again to Newegg for sending the parts over for this build. Definitely check out Newegg to get the best deals on this PC.
So as always, we hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, check out our other 2 YouTube channels and also our twitch.tv/toastybros, and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.
Now this nice little mini ITX gaming PC right here will be for sale at PCBros.tech, and it will come with a 1-year parts and labor warranty.
PCBros.tech, we sell little gaming PCs like this and high-end crazy computers with 4090s if you wanted, and you can buy them today. PCBros.tech, use code ToastyBros2 and check out and save 2% of your next purchase. See you guys later. Goodbye.